Hello everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Colors of Pakistan, Unit 7, Grade 4 based on One Nation One curriculum, and this is also the part 9. Read the lesson again and circle the correct options. Sheena's and Burushaski cultures exist in dash. The answer is Gilgit-Baltistan. Ajak is a part of dash culture. Sindhi culture, Punjabi culture, Kashmiri culture or Balochi culture. The answer is Sindhi culture. Ajrak is a part of Sindhi culture. Poetry and storytelling are very popular among the dash. Among the Punjabi, Pakhtun, Baloch ya Sindh. The answer is Baloch. Poetry and storytelling are very popular among the Baloch. The answers are Gilgit-Baltistan, Sindhi and Baloch. The Spring Festival is celebrated in Punjab in the mid of dash. The answer is February or April, or the Spring Festival is celebrated in Punjab in the mid of June, or the Spring Festival is celebrated in Punjab in the mid of August. The answer is February. The Spring Festival is celebrated in Punjab in the mid of February. The Dash Festival is celebrated every year in Shandur. The Spring Festival is celebrated every year in Shandur. Now, the Polo Festival is celebrated every year in Shandur, or the Jashn-e-Larkana Festival is celebrated every year in Shandur, or the Jashn-e-Bahara Festival is celebrated every year in Shandur. The answer is that Polo. The Polo Festival is celebrated every year in Shandur. The answers are February and Polo. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.